Why self-love is important. When you practice self-love, your confidence and inner peace increases, and it extends to those around you. Self-talk is important because it is often a reflection of our own subconscious thoughts. Self-talk must always be positive. Some examples are, I am grateful for the capabilities I have, and I am loved, lovable, and I love myself unconditionally. You must take care of your physical state. Healthy food, water, the amount of sleep, all these factors affect your energy level. Meditation and exercises helps you to boost your physical and mental health. Always surround yourself with positive people. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small the victory may be. Always stay connected with loved ones who appreciate you. Try to move away from disappointments. Self-love can decrease anxiety, depression, anger, and loneliness. It helps you to nurture healthy relationships and improve their quality. Love and respect yourself. Human being is a social animal. Caring and respecting is essential for social life. We must respect individuals in a social life. Likewise, we must respect and love ourselves. Self-talk is important. We must accept our feelings. When we practice self-love, we accept ourselves and recognize our worth. Self-love can protect you from negative thoughts. Thank you.